All right, everybody, welcome. We had a great live stream today. Heading into the stream, you could clearly see using Owings market analysis and doing the cross market correlations that stocks were going to be choppy today. So I advised staying away from stocks, being very careful. So far, that's ended up being fantastic advice. For those of you trading the indices today, it's probably a little bit of a bumpy ride. Tune into the live stream. You'll get a better idea of when to trade those and when not to trade those. My pick for the day was to short the metals because of the overall structure we were seeing with bonds, the US dollar, etc. So we ended up only taking one trade today, very carefully. It was the silver short here. You can see you got the hourly chart here for silver to the far right. So this is the hourly bar chart with Owings market analysis indicators on. You got the 4-hourly chart, the daily chart. We don't need to go into all the higher time period charts, but what you can see here on silver is, remember, we're trading the hard right edge, right? We don't know that any of this is going to happen. So, all the YouTubers out there, oh, I would have done this and I would have done this. Well, we're not like that. We're actually, calling things out in advance before they happen using Owings market analysis and cross market correlation. So at this time here for silver, Lagarde was speaking, the head of the ECB. There was a lot of volatility. I thought, we've got a pretty good shot for these resistance levels here at about 2304 to hold. And I want to give a shot at shorting silver right here. So went ahead and sold at 2302. And the dollar was getting stronger against the euro, so it looked like silver had a chance to crack to the downside, but you could see, and you can go back on the stream and verify this as we're doing this live in the trade, that the 2297, 2298 level, it just kept picking up price. Every time you'd go down there, picked it up. So silver was unable to push below that 2298, and I was short from 2302. So after about the fifth, sixth attempt to push below that level, I said, there's some support there. I don't want to be short against that support. So I took profit of, I think, $150 or $175 on that first trade. There's just one contract. And then later on, I still saw silver sitting there. The dollar was getting even stronger. I thought, you know what? Let's give this another shot. So I put another order at 2302 to short silver. It got filled, went straight back down to, that general 2298 level. You could see the support was still sitting there. I thought, I'll take this off. So I made another 125, 150. So ended up making 300 on those two very short-term silver trades. But the goal was to actually, try and catch a runner, shorting silver up in here. And then if it cracks to the downside, you make $1,000, and that's a great trade. But when I could see that the support was strong coming in here at 2298, I did a good job live in real time of just recognizing that and saying, you know what? I don't want to sit here and gamble with this trade. I'm just going to close the trade. And sure enough, it ended up spiking higher before eventually settling back down into the range. So was a good trade. Gave ourselves a shot. Managed it very well. Didn't manage it emotionally. I managed it objectively. Got a little bit of money. $300 for me. It's fine. But the day today is just very choppy. Bonds, rates, the dollar, they're in a little bit of a disagreement today. And I think navigated the day very well. And so far, the live stream is off to a great start the last couple of weeks. Somebody in the stream has been basically taking every trade that I'm calling out religiously, and across his several Apex accounts, funded accounts, he's up over $9,000, $9,500 or something like that, $9,300, $9,350. So the trades work, the analysis works. It's a great stream. Come on by, see what we're all about. You're not going to get entertainment. It's not sexy, but we do have good quality analysis and trades that work and can deliver consistent results. So that's what I'm here to do. And if you're interested in that, come on by. All right. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.